morning, children. How are you? Are you fine? Very good. Today we are going to learn pronouns. Already I explained you pronouns in the previous class. మీకు ఆల్రెడీ నేను pronouns అంటే ఏంటో ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశాను కదా. Pronouns means replacement words. The replacement words are called as pronouns. Instead of Radha, we used she. She is a replacement word. She is a pronoun. Instead of Ramu, we use he. He is the replacement word. It is a replacement. Instead of this, we use this word. It is a replacement word. It's the pronoun. Replacement words are called as pronouns. Replacements were called as pronouns. Now, personal pronouns. First one is personal pronouns. Personal pronouns. Personal pronouns. What are personal pronouns? I, we, you, he, she, it, they are the personal pronouns. These are the personal pronouns. And also the person who is talking about. I am talking about him. I am talking about whom? About him. Him also a personal pronoun. Him, I, me, we, us, you only. He changed as him. She changed as her. It changed as it only. They changed as them. These are also personal pronouns. I, we, you, he, she, it, they, me, us, you, him, her, it, them. These are the personal pronouns. These are the personal pronouns. Okay? Next one is possessive pronouns. Possessive. Next one is possessive pronoun. Possessive pronouns means belongings, ownership. While you are saying ownership, this is my book, no? It is my book. It is mine. It is my book. Or it is mine. It is mine. That is yours. Ownership. That is yours. This is ours. This is our school. Our. My. Your. Our. This is his book. This is her chair. It is its tail. Okay? And also, it is mine. It's mine. It's also belonging. It is mine. Belonging means belonging means ownership. Owner. Who's this book is? This book owner is me. Who's the owner of this book? Who is the owner of this book? Me. ఈ book owner ఎవరు చెప్పండి? నేను. That is the ownership. That is the ownership. Okay? It is mine. It is yours. It is yours. It is ours. It is ours. It is his. It is hers. It is its. Yeah. That dress is hers. Whose is that? Who is the owner of this dress? Hers. Hers means Amen. Hers. That is her dress. Next. This book is old, but mine is new. Mine. Mine means actually this book is old, but this is mine book. Mine is new. It is mine is showing the ownership. The cat licked its paw. Its paw means dan padnade. Its paw. The paw belongs to the cat. His is the biggest cup. His cup. His is the means his cup is the biggest cup. Who is the owner of this cup? He. So it is his cup. The car is ours, not theirs. Whose car is this? This is ours. This is ours, not theirs. Kadavadi, Madi, Malikal. They, ours, us. So ours, yours, mine. It's saying the ownership. Saying the ownership. I lost my phone. May I use yours? I lost my phone. My phone is lost. Shall I use yours? Yours means the phone belongs to you. Which phone belongs to you? May I use? Means that phone belongs to you. These words are showing the ownership. What are the words? Mine, yours, ours, his, hers, its. These words are showing the ownership, belongings. Okay, next. Reflexive pronouns. Next one is reflexive. Reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns means a person is saying to himself. When a person is talking to himself, I am talking to myself. I am talking to myself. When he is talking to himself, I myself, you yourself, he himself, she herself, they themselves. We ourselves. Next, it itself. When the person is talking to itself. When if you are talking yourself, you are talking about yourself. I am talking about myself. Means when a person is talking to himself or herself, we have to use reflexive pronouns. These are the reflexive pronouns. Myself, yourself, himself, herself, themselves, ourself, itself is a reflexive pronouns. Means the person is talking to itself. The person, manam mana gurinchi cheppukodame reflexive pronouns. Okay? Here, examples. I looked at myself in the mirror. She looked at herself. I looked at myself. And you should think about yourself. You should think about yourself. And they prepared themselves for exams. We are preparing ourselves. They are preparing themselves. He bought a car for himself. Why he bought a car to himself? He bought a car to himself. She locked herself in the room. She herself locked. She herself locked in the room. She cooked a meal for ourselves. We cooked. Your mother cooked food to yourself. Next. These are the reflexive pronouns. These are the reflexive pronouns. Next. When a person is talking to, when you are talking yourself is the first person. If you are talking to yourself means I. నువ్వు నీ గురించి మాట్లాడుకుంటున్నావు అయ్యే కదా I is the first person singular. First person singular means in the first person is talking about himself. You are talking yourself. Second person are talking about another. Means you are talking about another. Means you are talking about me. Means you. Here in the first person I am talking about myself. Second person is talking about another person. Means you. In the third person is talking about the person who is not in the situation. Third person singular means third person is not here. Third person is not here in this place. Here. ఈ ప్లేస్లో లేడు. We are talking about another person who is far away from us. We are talking about Ramu. Ramu is not here. Ramu is not here. Ramu means he. We are talking about Sita, she. We are talking about a dog, it. These are the third person singulars. These are the singulars. I, you, he, she, it are the singulars. Only one. I means only one person. You means only one. He, she, it also only one person. They are alone. These are the third one. First person singular is I. Second singular is I and the plural is we. Second person singular is you. Third person also you. You means a lot of children. Here, while we are talking about one person, you must complete your homework. Ramu, you must complete your homework. Ikkada use chesanu. It is singular. Ramu, you complete your homework. Complete your homework. Here you means only singular, one person. Here I discussed about only one person, only Ramu. Ramuki em cheppanu? You complete your homework ani cheppanu. You is a singular one. Only I discussed about only Ramu. Ramu గురించి మాత్రమే మాట్లాడారు. రాముకి మాత్రమే హోంవర్క్ ఇచ్చాను ఇక్కడ. Ramu is a singular person. Singular. Here, children, you complete your homework. Children, complete your homework. I said. Here, children. Children is a plural. You means only one person is there. This you is indicating all. ఇక్కడ యూ ఏమో సింగులర్ యూ ఈ యూలో ఒక రాము మాత్రమే ఉన్నాడు. ఇక్కడ యూలో చిల్డ్రన్ మీన్స్ సో మెనీ ఆర్ దేర్. ఇట్ ఈస్ ద ప్లూరల్ వన్, ఇట్ ఈస్ ద సింగులర్ వన్. యూ సింగులర్ అండ్ ప్లూరల్. We can use you in singular case and also plural case. Understand? Here variation is there. I ante ఇక్కడ నేను రా, we అంటే మేము. అవునా? అంటే ఇక్కడ I అంటే నేను సింగులర్, we అంటే మేము ప్లూరల్. ఇక్కడ you means నువ్వు, only one. Here you means మీరు. A lot of the subject is plural. Here children, no? Children అంటే ప్లూరల్ కదా. ఇక్కడ యూ అంటే ఏంటిది? ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇండికేటింగ్ ప్లూరల్ ఫామ్. యూ మీన్స్ సింగులర్, హియర్ యూ మీన్స్ ప్లూరల్. మీన్స్ ఆఫ్ యూ ఈస్ యూజ్డ్ ఇన్ సింగులర్ కేస్ అండ్ ఆల్సో ప్లూరల్ కేస్. యూని ట్వైస్ యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఎక్కడ సింగులర్లో అదే యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం, ప్లూరల్లో కూడా అదే యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం. యూ ఈజ్ అ సింగులర్ వన్, యూ ఈజ్ అ ప్లూరల్ వన్. He, she, it, they is a plural form. He, she, it is a singular form and plural form is they. It's enough to you. Open your workbook. All of you open your workbook. Open your workbook at the page number 23. Rain in summer. Write the antonyms of the following words. Antonyms are nothing but opposites. Antonym means opposites. Antonym means opposites. You have to write the opposites of the given words. Heat. Opposite is cold. Heater. Heat opposite cold. Next, narrow. Opposite is broad. B-R-O-A-D, broad. Beautiful. Opposite, ugly. Beautiful, ugly. Swift. Swift means very fast. Slow. Swift, slow. Swift means very fast. Down. Up. Far. Near. Stretch. Opposite is shrink. Stretch, shrink. S-H-R-I-N-K, shrink. Dry. Wet. Dry, wet. Heat, cold. Narrow, broad. Beautiful, ugly. Swift, slow. Down, up. Far, near. Stretch, shrink. Dry, wet. These are the opposites. Next one. Make sentences of your own using the words. You have to write the own sentences. Clatters. Clatters is a sound of horse. It's a sound. Clatter means sound. The maid clatters. The maid clatters the dishes. Clatters means sound, making sound. When she is in a hurry, means she will make the noise. The maid means servant. The servant make a noise while she is in hurry. Chala hurry lo unte chala taka sound chestundi. While she is cleaning the bowls or cooking, she will make the noise. Clatter means making noise, sound. Pours. My friend pours. Pour. My friend pours. Pours colors. My friend pours colors on me in the occasion of Holi. Holi రోజు ఏం తీసుకుంటారా? కలర్స్ పోసుకుంటామా? We pours colors on. My friend pours colors on me in the occasion of poured. Pours. Next, roars. Sound. The lion cry is called a roar. Sound of the animal. Roar is a cry of lion. Lion sound ఏమంటారంటే roar. The lion roars. Lion arupadi. Lion sound. The lion roars loudly if it feels hungry. Feels hungry, hungry. It spells hunger, isn't it? Hunger. Hunger, hunger. The lion roars loudly if it feels hunger. Next, struggles. Struggle means worry. Struggles means worry. Struggles. My mother struggles. My mother struggles more than me. More than me. When I suffer from fever. మీకు ఫీవర్ వచ్చిందనుకో మీ మమ్మీ ఎక్కువ సఫర్ అవుతుంది. When I suffer from fever. Next, last one. Gushes. Water gushes out. And the speed to medical. Going out with a speed. Water gushes out. Gushes out of draining. After the heavy rain. After the heavy rain. Heavy rain. After the heavy rain. Ready your answers. Okay, ready. Next. Choose the correct answer. Dad, can you take my coat and drop dash of it the dry cleaners? Can you take my coat? Coat. Coat is a thing, it is not having gender. Dad, can you take my coat and drop? Then drop cheyamantunnadu means coat. Coat is him, it, her. Which pronoun we have to use? Coat is not having the gender, so we have to use be. Tick to be. Choose the correct answer. Tick be. It. We have to do the project by dash. We have to do the project by మనమే చేయాలి ప్రాజెక్ట్ని by we ourselves, we yourself, you we themselves. We have to do our project by ourselves. మన ప్రాజెక్ట్ మనమే చేయాలి కదా. We have to do our project by ourselves. Ourselves means A. Tick to A. I put my book on the shelf, but is not there. Book. I put my book on the shelf, but dash is not there. Edi ledu, book ledu. Book means they, us, it. Amma, it is not having the gender. Gender leni vaatiki it pettali. Not having the gender. For the masculine gender. For the male gender, we have to keep he. Father unnaru em pedtam. For your father, we have to keep he. For your mother, we have to keep she. For a book, it is not having any gender. It is neuter. Then em pettali manamu? We have to keep it. Read on it. It means see. I asked for strawberries in several shops, but found that dash were out of stock. Em levata? Dash were out of stock. I searched for the strawberries. I asked for the strawberries. Strawberries are not there. Strawberries. Strawberry means only one. Lot are there. Strawberries plural. Em levu? Them not there. Them were out of stock, or they were out of stock. You were out of stock. Which one? They were out of stock. They keep. They means be. Paul is coming. Paul is coming. Paul. is a boy name. Paul is coming. Don't let see us. Main chedu. Don't dash to see us. Paul is the boy. Don't let his him he. Don't let him. Don't let him అంటే అతని మన ఇంట్లోకి రానివ్వదు, నేను చూడడానికి రానివ్వదు. Don't let him be. Pick to be. Can you boys handle this? Can you boys handle this? మీరు బాయ్స్ కదా, you can handle yourself. Yourself. Be you yourself. Sita, did you see my crayons? I can't find them. B. I tried to explain, but mom didn't listen to me. A. Next, fill in the blanks. Appropriate pronouns. The beautiful house is dash. The beautiful house is mine or mine? It is, the house is mine. Tick it mine. Tick mine. Jimmy is so proud about that medal of him. Sorry, medal of his. His, H-I-S, his. Tick to his. The pink purse is dash favorite me. It is my favorite. My. Tick to my. The builder finished the job. Assign it to him. Him. I'm looking for them. T-H-E-M, them. The housekeeper is so happy with her new vacuum cleaner. Her. The scientist is very busy with its. I-T-S, its. I-T-S, its. Where we have to use my and where we have to use mine. I'll explain once. This is my book. If you use book, if you use the noun before, after the pronoun, after the possessive pronoun, the possessive pronoun kada, ఈ possessive pronoun తర్వాత noun యూజ్ చేసావు అనుకో, అప్పుడు my book అన్నాను. My book, my pen, her book, her bag, his book, his pen, your book, your pen, like that. If you use the noun after the possessive pronoun, ఈ possessive pronoun తర్వాత noun మళ్ళీ యూజ్ చేసావు అనుకో, అప్పుడు my, you, like that. My, you, your, it is your book, it is his book, it is her book, it is its book, it is their book, it is our book, like that. We have to use, if you use the book after this, understand, if you use the book, if you use the noun after the possessive pronoun, ఈ possessive pronoun తర్వాత నువ్వు noun యూజ్ చేస్తే, now pen, house, book, like that. This is my house. House is used after the possessive pronoun. ఏ house తర్వాత house గురించి ఏం యూజ్ చేస్తాము, ఈ possessive pronoun తర్వాత ఏం యూజ్ చేస్తాము, house. If you use the noun along with the possessive pronoun, we have to use this. My, your, his, her, it's their and our. If you use the noun along with the possessive pronoun, ఈ possessive pronoun తో పాటు మనం noun యూజ్ చేస్తేనేమో ఇవి యూజ్ చేయాలి. You have to use this. Otherwise, if you won't use the noun, ఈ noun యూజ్ చేయలేదు, ఇది నాది, this is mine. This is mine. You did not use noun here. Can you noun use చేసావా? No, noun is not used here. This is my book. Book is used after the possessive. This is also my, also possessive pronoun. Mine also possessive pronoun. Both are possessive pronouns. My book అన్నా ఇది నా బుక్కే, మైన్ అన్నా ఇది నాది. Okay, but here book is used. Means noun is used. Here noun is not used. Noun is not used. ఇక్కడ noun use చేయలేదు. This is mine. This is yours. This is theirs. This is hers. Adamadi. This is his. This is ours. This is its. We are not using the noun here after the possessive pronoun. If you don't use the noun after the possessive pronoun, we have to use this. ఇవి యూజ్ చేయాలి. దీని తర్వాత మనం అక్కడ నౌన్ పెట్టాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. బుక్, పెన్, పెన్సిల్ లైక్ దట్ నో నీడ్ టు కీప్. ఇఫ్ యూ యూజ్ దీస్ possessive pronoun, mine, yours, theirs, hers, his, ours, its. It's mine, it is theirs, it is ours. This is ours. Like that we have to use. No need to use the noun again. If you use just the noun, use it. If you use this, you have to use the noun. This is my book. This is their book. This is their cat. This is her book. This is his pen. Like that. These possessive pronouns used by book, noun. These possessive pronouns not used by the noun. Okay. Today's class is completed. Bye.